220 Avenue G. Date still February 18th. Excuse me. This one we're doing a inspection from the clean out here under the kitchen bump out. We're going to come back through a branch arm. We've already seen everything downstream from this going out to the main. This is the slightly flat section out near the clean out on the fence line. Coming back through a 45-degree turn here off of this branch arm. Excuse me. Branch arm. We watch the camera screen. There we go. Coming back now through 4-inch diameter SDR35 PVC. Coming back towards the clean out. This is running at kind of a 45-degree angle across the yard. Gonna turn back a little bit there, come back. Now we're running parallel with the house. And we should be popping up out of this clean out shortly. There you go. So sewer exits the house there. There's our clean out access for recording from editing video.